cats, males are XY and females are XX, just like humans. A gene on X chromosome color controls fur color in cats. The G codes for ginger fur and B codes for black fur. And these alleles are codominant. So, what is the meaning of codominance? Oh, sorry. Both of alleles are expressive. Can you give me any other example of codominance? It's simple. It's not that much hard. Think about a human body. You'll get the like answer. Yes, AB type in blood. So that's the case of codominance. Okay. These, sorry, next one. The two alleles F and F are on different genes which are not sex linked. Interact with, yes, purely to this one. Means something is present on this G or something would be present on this one. Why? Sorry. With what? Yes, it does. It does. Yeah, if it's not sex linked, yes. Okay, so when we talk about this is like X-linked disease or it's like X-linked characteristic, then it must be present on X, not on Y. So this Y would be free for you. Like there won't be any allele on this one. Okay, then two alleles, F and F, are for different genes which are not sex-linked, interact with the gene controlling fur color. The allele F is dominant and stop the formation of pigment in the fur, resulting in white fur. The recessive allele F has no effect on fur color. Name this type of interaction between the two genes affecting fur color. Okay, it would be like this that first of all, the it would be epistasis is a case, and if an organism is ever, then we called it epistatic, such organism. And they have already explained it very well that if one gene is interfering with some other gene, then what is this term called? For example, weight. For example, let's relate height and weight. For example, we have height and weight. So we say if the height is small, then weight would be more. If the height is like more, then weight would be less. Let's just take an example. Okay. Now it means that height is if somehow affecting the weight. So this is an effect of one gene which is affecting the other gene, and this is called as epistasis. I guess my spellings are wrong. This is epistasis. I've written it like T twice. Okay. So here we say there mean there are two different alleles which actually accounts for two different characteristics. Okay. If one of the allele is interfering with some other characteristic, like here is controlling the fur color, the small f or a capital F is controlling a fur color. So it's affecting some other gene as well. It's not only characterizing its characteristics but also some others one. So this one is epistasis. And there are many types of epistasis, by the way. It can be like the dominant epistasis, it can be the recessive one. Like they have given you the dominant one would be capital F and the small one would be small f, which is recessive, and it is not showing any effect, right? Okay. So the next question is what effect would be a cat with the following genotype have? It has capital G and capital B with small f. So let's say here we have capital G. So it means it has a ginger fur and it would have a black fur as well because it's a case of codominance. Why is there is an X? Wait. Okay, 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 okay. Yes, it's XY and XX. Okay. So this B and G are present on X, not on Y. This would be like O. Nothing would be present. Okay. So they are saying what phenotype, they have given you something. It's a female, definitely. It's XX. It would be female, but what color? Both ginger and black. And would there be white fur? No, because it's small f. Simple. Now complete a genetic diagram, make a square, and write the like genotypes. Let's make a square. I guess you are also making a square. Okay. So we have two type of gametes from here. Capital G and F. Again, capital G and capital F and small f. Is it so? Have you got it? No. So one would have this pair and other would have this pair. So there are two pairs. XG capital F and XG and small f. Okay? From other pair we have capital XB with small f and the other would be Y small f. Okay. Now make the like make whatever the pair we want to use. I'm just erasing something. Give me a minute. And it would be, are you writing? Okay. So I'm writing for just a reference, okay? It would be capital G. Yes, it's 1 1 1 1 ratio. So we have 1 1 1 and 1 and genotype is this one. X capital G, X capital B, capital F and small f. Sorry. Okay, this wait. This would be white. Yes, because we have white fur. Which one? Capital G, capital B. Are you talking about this? XY or XX? Okay, XX. So this is white female cat. Okay, and this one is, and this one be would be. Okay, okay, and this would be ginger male. So here we have right ginger male. And what male would it be? This one. XGY capital F and small f. White male because it has capital F. And what would be XX small f? It would be that both which we have written ginger and black female. I hope you are understanding this one.